Hey, what's up? Check it out. I'm going to show you how you can make an oil lamp with materials at the Dollar Tree. So check out this hack. What we got is some cotton rope, because cotton is the material you want for wicks. It helps to, it doesn't smolder, it burns, it's really nice. So we've got some cotton rope, it's meant as decoration. We've got a mason jar here. And the materials you're going to need from home are some vegetable oil, a drill bit, a drill, and some scissors. So take the lid to your mason jar and flip it. You'll see why in a second. Screw this back on. Take your drill bit, put this like this, drill a hole right in the top. Just like that. Then what you want to do is take your lid, pop that top part off just like this, flip it back the right way around. Take your rope and separate it if you have to. It's a lot of rope. This is a lot of cotton. This stuff is nice. I'm not even kidding. And thread this stuff through the hole you just drilled. Once you do that, pull it through. Be careful if there's sharp edges not to cut yourself. They kind of hold the rope in there a little bit pretty nicely. So once you do that, pull that through. Just like that. Then what you want to do is cut your rope at an appropriate length for your jar depth. Once you've cut that, go ahead and pour your oil in to your jar. Take your wick, drop it right in. Alright, so once you've gotten that on there, trim off your string or pull it down to wherever you need it. I'm going to show you how to prime this. What you want to do is take your jar, flip it upside down. Now you'll know you've done everything right if there's no oil leaking out anywhere. Because what the oil should do is, you see this, it should wick through the cotton here. And what you want to leave is just a little bit of the tip dry. So when you flip it over, the cotton should now be primed. So let's give this a light and see what happens. And this is vegetable oil, so it might take a second for this to light. That's how you make a oil lamp from Dollar Tree materials.